Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use a hashtag on your TikTok video. So open up your TikTok account and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right here. And then here you can just record whatever video you'd like or upload a video. But let me just record some 2-second video for this tutorial. When that's done, just tap on next. And here is where you can caption your video anything or put hashtags in it. So just tap on hashtags. And the word I want to use is, for example. And here on the right, you can see how many people has already viewed the type of hashtag that is included here. But let's say I want to make my own hashtag. I'm just gonna input whatever number that I could. So as you can see, nobody has ever viewed or used this hashtag. So I can just tap on add, and there you have it. It automatically just adds up as a hashtag. When that is over, just tap on post and your video along with the hashtag will be uploaded. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.